Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to keep iPhone bright all the time. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To keep your iPhone's display bright all the time, you'll need to adjust several settings related to brightness and auto lock. Here's how you can do it. First things first, navigate to the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Accessibility. Tap on Display and Text Size. Scroll to the bottom and toggle off Auto Brightness. Now, let's set brightness manually. Still on the Settings app, tap on Display and Brightness. Use the brightness ladder to set your desired brightness level. Now, let us disable low power mode if enabled. Tap on the Settings app, tap on Battery, and make sure low power mode is toggled off. Another method, avoid screen dimming. Even with auto brightness turned off, your iPhone may still dim the screen after a period of inactivity to save battery life. To keep it bright, you might need to interact with the screen periodically. By following these steps, you can ensure that your iPhone's display remains bright and doesn't dim or turn off automatically. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.